Welcome to Slice of Life. With the current COVID-19 pandemic, entire mankind is suffering. As currently there is no specific medicine or vaccine available for coronavirus, it's important to prepare our body to fight this by increasing our immunity. Ayush Ministry of India was advising regularly different immunity boosting ideas based on Ayurveda. As per Ayush Ministry recently released, Ayurveda's immunity-boosting measures for self-care during COVID-19 crisis, Ayurveda, being the science of life, propagates the gifts of nature in maintaining healthy and happy living. Ayurveda's extensive knowledge base on preventive care derives from the concepts of daily regimes and seasonal regimes to maintain healthy life. It is a plant-based science. The simplicity of awareness about oneself and the harmony each individual can achieve by uplifting and maintaining his or her immunity is emphasized across Ayurveda's classical scriptures. Ministry of Ayush has recommended some self-care guidelines for preventive health measures and boosting immunity with special reference to respiratory health. These are supported by Ayurvedic literature and scientific publications. So, let's understand these recommendations one by one. With this 3-page guideline, the first page is about general measures, where it talks about 3 things. The first is to drink warm water throughout the day. Second is to practice yoga daily, and third is to use some suggested spices in our daily cooking. Now let's understand these in details one by one. Drinking hot water can provide your body with the water it needs to replenish fluids. It can also improve digestion, relieve congestion, and even make you feel more relaxed. Apart from increasing the overall immunity, it also helps as improving your blood circulation, treats nasal congestions and soothes sore throat. The second suggestion is to practice yogasana, pranayama and meditation for at least 30 minutes daily. Pranayama like Bhastrika, Anulom Vilom, Kapalbhati and Bhramari, if done regularly, they can help you beat stress, relax, calm your mind, and work as preventive measures. It will also strengthen your lung power. The third measure talks about using spices like haldi, turmeric, jeera, cumin, dhania, coriander, and lasoon garlic in cooking. Anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and antibacterial properties contain turmeric also contains curcumin. Turmeric aids in making our immunity stronger. The main life-saving ingredient in turmeric is about 3 to 5% of curcumin, a phytoderivative, which contains healing properties. Cumin is a rich source of iron, coriander is rich in immune-boosting antioxidants, and garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties. It's suggested to use these spices regularly with our daily cooking for enhancing our immunity naturally. The second page of the guideline talks about measures to promote immunity. Here it has been suggested to take Chyawanprash, drink herbal tea or kadha, and consume golden milk every day. Let's understand these measures to promote immunity in details.
Chyawanprash is an age-old formula for enhancing one's immunity.
The main ingredient of Chyawanprash is amla, which is being considered as one of the magic fruit which enhance our immunity. It also contains ashwagandha, shatavari and brahmi, which helps in stimulating the immunity further with many other health benefits. It's suggested to take 10 gram of Chyawanprash every morning. There are lots of herbal tea available in the market, but it's suggested to prepare a kadha at home using tulsi, kali mirch, dalchini, sunt and munakka and have it twice a day.
Jaggery or lemon can be added to it to enhance its taste as per your requirement.
You can take 5 to 6 leaves of tulsi, 1 inch ginger, 5 to 6 black pepper, 1 cinnamon stick and few munakka and boil it in water till water becomes half. Take it lukewarm. Golden milk or haldi doodh is what being given to us by our grandmother. As we have already discussed the benefits of turmeric, that it has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Being a powerful antioxidant, taking it with warm milk in night can reduce inflammation, promote heart health, might lower blood sugar level and improve digestion as well. The third and the last page talks about some simple Ayurvedic procedures like nasal application and oil pulling therapy. It also talks about some remedy for sore throat and dry cough. Let's understand this page in detail. Nasal application of sesame or coconut oil or ghee has been suggested. Oils or ghee are a popular natural treatment. People use them to relieve sinus congestion, unblock a stuffed nose, and promote sinus drainage. Doing it in morning and evening can lubricate nose, heals and soothes cracks in nostril, cleanses the sinuses, improves voice, vision and mental clarity. Oil pulling is an alternative medical practice in which an edible oil is swished around the mouth for a period of time and then spat out, similar to mouthwash. Oil pulling activates salivary enzymes which absorb toxins such as chemical toxins, bacterial toxins and environmental toxins from the blood and removed from the body through the tongue. Thus oil pulling detoxifies and purifies the entire human body.
Steam inhalation with pudina and ajwain is suggested as remedy for sore throat or dry cough.
It has also been suggested to take clove powder mixed with natural sugar or honey 2 to 3 times a day. If the cough persists, it's suggested to see your doctor. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to get latest updates from Slice of Life.